In this video, you'll learn how to install the Claude Desktop app on your computer step by step. We'll go from opening the official download page to checking that your system is compatible to running the installer so you can start using Claude right from your desktop. I'll keep things simple and clear so you can follow along even if you're not very technical. First, let's talk about where to download the app because using the official source is important. Open your favorite web browser like Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar at the very top of the window, type in claude.ai/download. Make sure you go directly to that address rather than clicking on random links from search results so you know you're getting the real up-to-date installer. When the page loads, the website will automatically detect whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac. You don't need to manually select your operating system in most cases. The site handles that for you and shows you the correct download option. Take a moment to confirm that what you see on the page matches the type of computer you're using. If you're on Windows, it should mention Windows. If you're on a Mac, it should mention Mac OS. Now, if you're on Windows, there's one requirement you need to know about. Claude Desktop requires Windows 10, build 19041 or higher. In simple terms, that means you need a fairly up-to-date version of Windows 10 or later. If you're not sure what version you have, you can check by opening the Start menu, typing WinVer, and pressing Enter. A small window will appear showing your version and build number. If your build is 19041 or higher, you're good to go. If it's lower, you'll need to update Windows before installing Claude. Once you've confirmed compatibility, go back to the Claude download page, click the download button that appears for your system. Your browser will begin downloading the installer file. This might take a moment depending on your internet speed, but the file is usually not very large. When the download finishes, locate the file. On Windows, you can usually find it in your Downloads folder, or you can click it directly from the Downloads bar or panel in your browser. The file name will typically reference Claude or Claude Desktop, so it's easy to recognize. Now you're ready to install. Double-click the downloaded file to run it. If Windows shows a security prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, choose yes. This is a standard part of installing most trusted applications. The installer will open and guide you through the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions. In many cases, you can simply accept the default options and click Next or Install. The installer will copy the necessary files to your computer and set everything up in the background. This process should only take a short time. When the installation completes, you may see an option to launch Claude Desktop immediately. If you do, go ahead and select it, then click Finish. If you don't see that option, you can open Claude later from your Start menu on Windows or from your Applications folder on a Mac. Today, I've shown you how to install the Claude Desktop app from the official download page. Check your Windows version if needed, run the installer, and complete setup so you're ready to start using Claude on your desktop.